Hello students, welcome to the statistics class. I am S. Nirmala, Assistant Professor of Statistics. Today my topic is practicals on central tendency measures, dispersion measures, methods, and moments. So, central tendency measures, dispersion measures, methods, and moments. So, the central tendency measures are, we have seen in our theory class, we have 5 central tendency measures. What are they? Central tendency measures are mean, median, mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean. These measures are called central tendency measures. The measure which says which give information about the center value. And these first three are widely used measures, and geometric mean, harmonic mean are okay type. So today we will see how to solve mean, median and mode, and then dispersion measures. So those are methods. Dispersion methods are range, quartile deviations, mean deviation, standard deviation. And in the dispersion methods, standard deviation are used most of the time. So in today's class, we are going to see the practical problems by using mean, median, mode, and some of the properties we will discuss in the inference. Also dispersion method we are going to see about the standard deviation and what are the inferences it will give to us. Also we will see moments. So today we are going to touch 3 problems, one on central tendency measures, and second one dispersion methods, and the third one moments. So shall we start our practical class today? Yes. Find mean, median, mode. Find mean, median and mode for the following data. So, and the data is class interval 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35 and 35 to 40. And the frequencies are 6, 8, 17, 21, 15, 11 and 2. So, find mean, median and mode for the following data. And the data is given as class interval 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40 with the following frequency. Now, we will start our problem solution. First, we have to write the A. What is the A? To find or to calculate mean, median and mode to the given data. Now, first we will start with mean. Procedure. To find mean, we use to find mean, median and mode, we use the following mean is equal to x bar, which is equal to 1 by n summation fi di, and median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus m by f into c, and mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f1 into c, where c is the class interval. Now this is the procedure. Let us start with mean. So, class interval 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. Frequencies are, we call frequencies as FI. 6, 8, 17, 21, 15, 11 and 2. So if we make the totals, what it will be? 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 16, 22, 30, 3 carry, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 80. First we will take the formula for mean. Mean is equals to summation Fi Di by summation Fi. So what are the middle values? 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. 12.5. 17.5. 22.5. 27.5. 32.5. 37.5. So your Di will be equals to Xi minus, exactly the middle value is this one, 8. Xi minus 8 by H. H is the class interval. So 7.5 minus 22.5 would be 15.5. 15. 15 divided by, the difference is 5. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And we require for mean Fi Di. We have Fi, we have Di. So Fi Di. 6 3s are 18, 8 2s are 16, 17 1s are 17, 21 zeros are 0, 15 1s are 15, 11 2s are 22, 2 3s are 6, and the value would be 6, 8, 13, 20, 26, 34. All the 3 goes 1, 2, 3. 30. So your mean is equals to X bar equals to summation Fi Di by summation Fi. So mean is equals to summation Fi Di is 34 divided by 12, 13, 21 to carry, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 7, 13, 1 carry 43. So this would be 11 minus 3 would be 8 minus 8. This is minus 8. Mean is equals to minus 8 divided by 80, which is equal to minus 1 by 10. Therefore, X bar equals to mean equals to minus 0.1. So this is your mean. So this is your mean. Now second we have to find out median. To the mean we have taken mid values and we call the mid values as xi, and those mid values how we got? The lower limit plus the upper limit divided by 2. 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 divided by 2 is equals to 12.5. 35 divided by 2, 17.5. Like that we have got it, and then we have taken the deviation as xi minus a by h. H is the difference is class interval 5, 5, and that xi's are these values and a is exactly the middle value. So 7.5 minus 22.5 would be minus 15. Minus 15 divided by 5 would be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then we have to do FIDI, multiply it, add all the negatives and add all the positive, and whichever is there we subtract, we got minus 8 as the value. So your x bar is equals to minus 0.1. Next. Now I think this is clear for the finding out mean. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus m by f into c. Now what is that? We will see. To find the median, our table will be different. Now, we require cumulative frequency. How are we going to get the cumulative frequency? The cumulative frequency is 6. 6 plus 8 would be 14. 14 plus 17 would be 31. 31 plus 21 would be 52. 52 plus 15 is 67. 67 plus 11 is 878, and 2 plus 78 would be 80. Always the last value of the cumulative frequency should be equal to the total number of frequencies. Now, the mode is given as L plus n by 2 minus m by f into c. Now, L is lower limit, n is your frequency, m is modal class, and f is modal class frequency, and c is the class interval. Now, first what we do is we find out n by 2. Your n is what? 80. 80 divided by 2 would be 40. And where is the 40 value lies? If you put the books in racks and label them as, in the first rack it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And second rack 7, 8, 9, 10 up till 14. Third one 15 to 31 books you have. Fourth one you have 32 to 52. Now your 40 book lies here. I want to pick up the 40th book. So that lies here. So this 20 will be your lower limit, and this is your frequency, and this is your modal class cumulative frequency. So n by 2 is equals to 40, m is equals to 31, frequency is equals to 21, and your lower limit is equals to 20. Now how are we going to, all these values, L you have, n by 2 you have, m you have, f you have into c. C is, class interval is how much? 5. Now substitute all the values in the formula. We are going to get median is equals to 20 plus n by 2 is 40 minus m divided by f into c. So that would be 20 plus 9 into 5 by 21. So 3 3s are 3 7s are. So 20 plus 15 by 7. 20 plus 2.22.1 is the answer. So your median is equal to 22.1. To find the median, the required formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus m divided by f into c. And n by 2 is nothing but total frequency divided by 2. So that would be 40. Then we have to identify where does 40 lies in the cumulative frequency. So 40 lies at 52. So that we have to mark that class frequency. This is lower limit and this is frequency for that modal class, median class, and this is median class. Above would be your this frequency, and then your class interval is how many are there. Substitute in the formula, you get the value 20.1. And the third one is mode. For mode, we have to identify which is the highest frequency. The highest frequency is, we call it as F1, and the above one is F0 and the below one is F2. F1 limit, lower limit will be your L. Now the substitute the values in this formula. We are going to get L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. Now 20 plus 21 minus 17 divided by 2 into 21 minus 17 minus 50 into C is 5. So that would be 20 plus 3 by 42 minus 32 into 5. So 20 plus 3 into 5 by 10. 1s are 2s are, and this is 20 plus 1.5. That is 21.5 is the mode. So to the given data, we got mean is equals to minus 0.1, median is equals to 22.1, mode is equals to 21.1. So if a data is given, we have three different set of formulas for mean, median and mode. By applying those formulas, whatever we require in the formula, the table also changes for mean, median and mode. And we find out these things and we substitute in the formula and we get the answers. So our first, and what do you write about the inference? Inference is nothing but the mean is minus 0.1, median is equals to 22.1 and mode is equals to 21.5 for the given set of data. That is your inference. Standard deviation. Let us see what is standard deviation. Standard deviation is one of the measures of the dispersion. It will tell us how this given data is distributed. What is its range? For that, to find the standard deviation, first we have to find the mean, whatever they mention in the problem, mean or median or mode. We have to find the central tendency measure which they have asked for, and from that central tendency measure we have to find the standard deviation. How we are going to do? Let us see the second problem. Calculate the mean and standard deviation for the following table giving the age distribution of 542 members each. (20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. And the frequencies are 3, 61, 132, 153, 140, 51, 2. So this is 542. First we have to find out mean. Mean is equals to A plus summation Fi di by summation Fi into H. So to find out mean, what do we require first? We require the deviation, mid values. (20 plus 30 divided by 2), 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. And from this we have to find out deviation. Xi minus A by H. What is our A? 3. This is our A. So 25 minus 55 is minus 30. Minus 30 divided by 10. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now what do we require? Fi di. 3 3s are 9. 61 2s are 2, 12. Minus 122. Minus 132. 0. 140. 2, 102. 6. 8. 248 is positive, and this 9, 10, 13, 1 carry, 3 3 6, and 263 minus. So we are left with 13 minus 8, 5, 5 lunch, 4, 1, 15. So minus 15 is the answer. Now, substitute here. Your A is 55, 55 plus summation Fi di is minus 15. Summation F is 542 into 10. So 55 minus 150 divided by 542. Therefore 55 minus 150 divided by 542 would be 0.25. So the answer is 54.75. So the mean is equals to 54.75. So we'll preserve. Mean is equals to first value 54.75. Now sigma square equals to standard deviation. Standard deviation is equals to sigma square and it is given as one by n summation Fi di square minus 1 by n summation Fi di by summation whole square into h square. So we have summation Fi di. We require summation Fi di square. So di say one more time, multiplication 27, and this will be 4, 4, 2, 244, and this is 132, 0, 140, 402, 6 3s are 18, and this value will be 8, 8, 16, 20, 23, 25. 4, 8, 10, 11, 15, 16, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 765. Now we substitute. Sigma square is equals to, what is 1 by n? 542 into 765 minus summation Fi di minus into minus, it would be plus 15 by 542 into h square is 100. So 765 plus 15 by 542 into 100. So this would be 10, 8, 780 divided by 542 into 100. So this will be equals to 100 into 1.47. So 0. So our second is variance is equal to sigma square is variance. Variance is equal to sigma square, that is how much it is? 147. Therefore, standard deviation is equal to sigma, which is equal to root of 147, which is 11.7 is your answer. So this is how we have to find out our standard deviation. First, they will give us the class intervals, frequencies. In the problem they have asked, find the mean. Through the mean you find the standard deviation, they said. So first we have to find out the mean. So the mean is x bar is equals to a plus summation fi di by summation fi into h. So to find out fi di, we have to find out middle values. From these middle values we have to find the deviation. For the deviation we have to select exactly the center one. Now here 55 is the center, so we consider this as to be A, and then we substitute in the deviation and we will find out this column. Later we have fi di we will multiply and we get this column and we will add up. Then we will substitute the values for the mean and we got the mean to be as 54.75. Later we have written the formula for the variance, and for the variance to find out we require fi di square. So we have fi di square we require. One more time with the di, if I multiply, I got the answer to be 765. Substitute these values in the formula, take the LCM and do the simplification. You got the variance 147 as your variance. But in the problem they have asked us the standard deviation. Standard deviation is nothing but root of variance. If you take the root, we got the variance, that is 11.7. This is how we have to find out mean, median, mode and standard deviation with the mean. If for suppose in an exam, if they ask find the standard deviation with median, then first we have to find out median. Later with that, with the help of the median, we have to find out the variance, and the root of variance would be your standard deviation. That's how you have to follow the steps and do the problems. Now the third one we will take. Calculate the first 4 moments of the above and hence find beta 1 and beta 2. Now our aim is to find first 4 moments. So the first 4 moments means First you have to find out mu1 dash. We have given data. So first mu1 dash, how do we find out? 1 by n summation fi di and then mu2 dash 1 by n fi di square, mu3 dash 1 by n fi di cube, and mu4 dash, it would be 1 by n summation fi di power 4. Now first 4 moments we have to find, then we have to go for central moments. mu2 is equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. Here you have mu2 dash, then mu1 dash you get the central moments. mu3 dash minus 4 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash whole cube. Then mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash mu2 dash plus 6 mu2 dash mu1 dash square minus 3 mu1 dash power 4, and beta 1 is equals to mu3 square minus mu2 cube, and beta 2 is equals to mu4 by mu2 square. And you have been given x, you have been given fi. So first find out di. What is di? Xi minus a by h. Then you find out fi di square, fi di cube, and fi di power 4. So here what is your a? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 4, and your a is equals to 4, h is equals to, difference is 1. So you find out, you have been given x's and frequencies. The deviation xi minus a by h, a value is exactly the middle value, this is your a, and the frequency is how much? It is increasing 1, that is 1. First fill in the table, take down the values and substitute here. You will get the raw moments, then later you get the central moments, and also you can get beta 1 and beta 2 using this formula. Hope you understood how to do the practical problem. You try and complete the last problem. If you are stuck somewhere, please do come and ask. I'll clear your doubt. That's all for today's class. Thank you.